Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about composite numbers, relatively prime or co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, consecutive numbers and perfect numbers. First, we have to discuss about composite numbers. A number which has factors other than 1 and itself is called composite number. A composite number is a positive integer which is not prime. Also, composite numbers can be defined as the whole numbers that have more than two factors. Whole numbers that are not prime are composite numbers because they are divisible by more than two numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are the first few composite numbers. For example, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4 and factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 is the smallest composite number. Next, we are going to discuss about relatively prime or co-prime numbers. Two integers are relatively prime when there are no common factors other than 1. This means that no other integer could divide both numbers evenly. Two integers a and b are called relatively prime to each other if GCD of a, b equal to 1. That is, the greatest common divisor of a and b must be equal to 1. For example, 12 and 13 are said to be relatively prime. Here, the GCD of 12 and 13 is equal to 1. Relatively prime numbers are also called as co-prime numbers. For example, factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Here the GCD of these two numbers 20 and 33 are equal to 1. Therefore, 20 and 33 are said to be relatively prime numbers. In other words, relatively prime numbers are co-prime numbers are numbers whose greatest common divisor GCD is 1. In symbol, co-prime of x, y is equal to GCD of x, y. Next, we are going to discuss about twin prime. A twin prime is a prime number that is either 2 less or 2 more than another prime number. In other words, a twin prime is a prime that has a prime gap of 2. For example, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31, 41 and 43 are said to be twin prime numbers. Here the difference between these two numbers are equal to 2. Next, we are going to discuss about consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers are numbers that follow each other in order from the smallest number to the largest number. The difference between consecutive numbers is always fixed and it follows a pattern. For example, 1, 2, 3 are the first three consecutive natural numbers. Here the difference between consecutive numbers is 1. Next, we are going to discuss about the perfect number. In number theory, a perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisors excluding the number itself. In other words, a perfect number is defined as the number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the given number. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. By using the formula, sum of its factors is equal to twice the given number. Left hand side is sum of all the factors, that is the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. We are adding, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. And the right hand side is 2 into the given number. The given number is 6. So 2 6 are 12. So therefore we can getting LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we can conclude that sum of all its factors is equal to twice the given number. And we can conclude that 6 is the smallest perfect number.